African runners are amazing. They win many marathons. They are especially good at long distances. Kenya and Ethiopia are the best. Their success is inspiring. Many people wonder about their secret. Is it their genes? Is it their training? The answer is a mix of many things. It's a story of talent and hard work. African runners show us what the human body can achieve. They are an inspiration to runners everywhere. Some scientists think genetics play a significant role in athletic performance. They believe that certain genetic traits can give athletes an edge in their respective sports. East African runners, particularly those from specific regions, might possess unique genetic markers that contribute to their exceptional running abilities. These genetic traits could potentially help them run faster and longer distances with greater efficiency and endurance. The Kalenjin tribe in Kenya is particularly noteworthy. This tribe has produced a remarkable number of world-class long-distance runners. They are renowned for producing many champion runners who dominate international marathons and long-distance races. Another notable example is the Oromo people of Ethiopia. Like the Kalenjin, they have a rich history of producing elite runners. The Oromo runners have also achieved great success on the global stage, consistently winning major races and setting records. Some researchers believe that these groups have bodies that are naturally optimized for running. Their physical attributes are often ideal for endurance sports. They often have long, slender legs, which can provide a mechanical advantage in running. Additionally, they tend to have a high red blood cell count. This high red blood cell count helps them use oxygen more efficiently, which is crucial for maintaining endurance during long races. The combination of these genetic and physiological factors contributes to their extraordinary running capabilities. Many African runners come from high-altitude areas where the environment is both challenging and rewarding. They train in the mountains where the air is thin and the terrain is rugged and demanding. This makes their bodies work harder, pushing their limits and building incredible endurance. Their bodies adapt to the low oxygen levels, becoming more efficient at using the available oxygen. They produce more red blood cells, which are crucial for transporting oxygen. These cells carry oxygen throughout the body, enhancing their stamina and performance. When they run at lower altitudes, they have an advantage, as their bodies are used to working harder with less oxygen. This training is like a natural blood booster, giving them a significant edge over their competitors. It helps them run faster and longer, maintaining a strong pace throughout the race. This is a big reason why they are so strong in marathons, consistently finishing at the top and setting new records. The camaraderie and support among these athletes also play a crucial role in their success, as they push each other to new heights. Their dedication, combined with the natural advantages of high-altitude training, makes them formidable competitors on the global stage. They represent their countries with pride, showcasing the strength and resilience that comes from training above the clouds. Section 4. Running is life. In many African cultures, running is a way of life. Children run to school. They run to help their families. This starts at a young age. They grow up running long distances. It's part of their daily routine. This builds their endurance from a young age. They also learn from older runners. It's a tradition passed down through generations. This creates a culture of running excellence. Section 5. Food as fuel. African runners often eat a simple diet. They eat a lot of vegetables like maize and beans. They also eat fruit and grains. Their diet is naturally low in fat and processed foods. This helps them stay lean and healthy. They are fueling their bodies with natural energy. This diet is perfect for running. It gives them the nutrients they need to train hard and recover quickly. Section 6. The spirit to succeed. Running offers a way out of poverty for many Africans. In many rural areas where opportunities are scarce, the marathon becomes a beacon of hope. It's not just a sport, it's a lifeline. They can win prize money at races. This prize money can be life-changing, providing financial stability and opening doors to new opportunities. Winning a marathon can mean the difference between struggle and a better life. They can also get sponsorships. These sponsorships provide essential support, from training gear to financial backing, allowing runners to focus on their training without worrying about basic needs. This motivates them to train hard and succeed. The rigorous training schedules and high-intensity workouts are a testament to their dedication. Every drop of sweat is a step closer to their dreams. They have a strong spirit and determination. The journey is tough, filled with physical and mental challenges, but their unwavering spirit keeps them going. They want to improve their lives and support their families. The support from their families is a crucial element, providing emotional strength and motivation. Every stride they take is for a better future for their loved ones. They also have a lot of national pride. Representing their country is a matter of immense pride and honor. It's not just about personal achievement, it's about bringing glory to their nation. They want to represent their countries on the world stage. Competing internationally, especially at events like the Olympics, is a dream for many. It's a chance to showcase their talent and hard work to the world. This gives them an extra push to be the best. The vision of crossing the finish line first, breaking the tape, and celebrating victory fuels their relentless pursuit of excellence. These factors combined create some of the best runners in the world. The blend of personal ambition, family support, national pride, and the drive to overcome adversity shapes these athletes into world-class marathon runners.